Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So today is OPEX, and just wanted to make a quick review on Bitcoin price action and Ethereum Ethereum Bitcoin chart. So let's go and jump in. So you can see today Nasdaq is having another very green day. It is up around 1%, but you can see that Bitcoin is actually down for today. So after that huge liquidation event, so everything is in a mess in the cryptoverse. So I think this downtrend momentum will go on until at least Trump and Xi meet up on November the 1st. It means we have around 2 weeks, so I will expect either choppy conditions or to the downside. So technically, I want to show you the 3-day chart, which is very interesting to me. So if you open this compression chart, so technically this 126 was the fake out. So on a technical chart, you can see this is a compression fake out, and we actually got faded pretty easy, and we are below the mid range. And I think we are fine. We are heading towards this sell side liquidity around 98, and we can go as low as the yearly open. And of course, I marked on the chart 30% below the all-time high, which is going to be around 88,200. So yeah, that's my speculation is this downtrend will continue until at least, as I said, late October, when Trump and Chinese president meet up. On a daily chart as well, you can see this is the previous range. The previous range, you can see how how precisely we got rejected at the mid range of this level, which is 116,000 level, and we lost currently the range. So after all, I will expect this week to get filled, and of course this sell side liquidity will be taken. It's a major sell side liquidity, and yeah, you can see we completely faded this level. It is more visible, as I said, on a 3-day chart. So this was a fake out, and we are heading down. So my speculation is that we have seen the top for Bitcoin, the cycle is over, and the main thing now right now is Ethereum. Let's move into Ethereum Bitcoin chart first. So you can see how strong the Ethereum Bitcoin chart is. So this is my probable speculation on Ethereum Bitcoin chart. You can see if I open the weekly chart. Let's open the weekly chart for a second. Let me. So we are having basically 1, 4, 5 red weeks in a row on Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and if we doesn't count this one green week, we will have like 2 months of downside momentum. So sooner or later, this is going to reverse. So you can see we violated this fair value gap, but I think that's because of that huge leverage involved in this market, and I will expect maybe to retest the mid-range of this fair value gap again, but I'm not seeing it to take this sell side. I'm just marking it as it is, but I don't see it to go below this weekly imbalance again. If I open the daily chart, you can see as well. So let me delete this one, and yeah, we are just below the October open on Ethereum Bitcoin chart, and we are at yearly open right now. Possibly we can have some more short-term downside, but as I said before, We bounced from the bull market support band, and this is 200 EMA as well. Maybe some more upside consolidation here at the mid range and expansion, and the real Ethereum season, and then maybe alt season. I'm not sure about that. Will happen after that. So one thing is clear, that only bears left and bearish leverage is left in this market. Maybe we can see this momentum continue 1 or 2 weeks, and after that I'm waiting, expecting full reversal. You can see on this chart as well, we are below the 50% level. We are currently in compression. Sooner or later, this is going to have a consolidation and to have expansion. That's my speculation. So I'm not betting too much downside on Ethereum as well. So yeah, you can see on the Ethereum chart itself. If I open the 4-hour chart, let me open the 4-hour chart. We are currently in this downward channel. Yes, so we will left this buy side liquidity around 4,400, and the liquidity is at this level too. So there is liquidity around 3,600 too. I'm not quite sure whether we are going to feel this week. I'm not sure about that. I think we can have one more maybe push to the downside, consolidate, and go up from here. Now, and I think that 2 week window I am speaking about is also on Ethereum. So in 2 weeks we will see the some clarity and how strong Ethereum actually is. So yeah, as I said before, if I open the open interest chart, you can see. So nothing left on the bull side, so all liquidated, and I will expect this range, maybe one more push to the downside, possible, not sure about that. Currently the leverage on Binance is 13.9, and from here I'm seeing only the upside, maybe after some consolidation, only to the upside. And of course, my favorite chart, USDT dominance. So you can see we're kind of trying to have a squeeze on a daily chart on USDT dominance. And as I said, you can see we are having already some reaction here. Maybe we can go ahead and have one more push to the upside within the incoming 2 weeks, to have a higher high and to take this liquidity, and then to have the complete rollover. But of course, I think the damage is done after that liquidation, and it is very probable we'll need some time to have some consolidation, and of course USDT dominance will climb on that matter. But of course, this daily squeeze is already happening. Look at this one. This one got faded. This was a fake out on September 26th. And before that, the last time we had it was March 10, the daily squeeze, basically, which got faded again. But of course, this is a huge amount of time for consolidation. And if I open the weekly chart on USDT dominance, you will see here. So we are above the mid range. This was a fake out. We got faded, consolidation, and this bull flag right here. There is a chance we can have one more leg to the upside. So that's why I'm being very cautious and waiting for some clarification and some cool off in the markets. Right now, Bitcoin open interest 2 is at the support levels. And yeah, so I made some speculation here as well. If we open this flash and the the upper resistance levels. You can see we had this. Let me open this. This moves a bit. Yeah. So this is the level. This is the previous range resistance deviation from the range, and we are going down. So if the deviation is around 2-3%, we can expect something like that. So this is 99,000, where we can have some consolidation and some short-term bounce, as I said, on Bitcoin, and of course Ethereum will follow that. But of course, this is all speculations. Interesting to see how it will react in the mid-range of this range, so which is around 108,000. But of course, as I said, things are very ugly on Bitcoin, and we need to first figure out where it bottoms so we can have some confirmation and confidence on longing Ethereum. Right now, not shorting because there are only shorts in the market, and short squeezes can happen very easily. But of course, longing is very risky as well. So right now, waiting to see some clarity and to understand the narrative in the markets overall. So stay safe, stay cautiously bullish on Ethereum, but don't bet everything right now. Okay, thank you so much. Bye.